Hey, it's Professor Dave. Let's conjugate some more verbs.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We learned about the verbs in the first conjugation, which are verbs that end in ARE. So let's learn about the verbs that end in ERE, also known as the second conjugation. The endings are not that different from the first batch, but there are a few differences to keep in mind. Let's start by conjugating the verb scrivere, which means to write. Io scrivo. Tu scrivi. Lui scrive. Notice here that the word ends in E rather than in A, like the first conjugation. Noi scriviamo. Voi scrivete, with ETE rather than ATE. And loro scrivono, with ONO rather than ANO. So things are nearly the same, except for a couple letters. Next, remember how, with the first conjugation, when the ending of a verb changed such that the sound of a consonant changed, that we would add an H? So, io gioco, but tu giochi, with the H added so that the hard C sound can be maintained. This applied to verbs ending in CARE and GARE. In the second and third conjugations, we will not make any such compensation. We will simply allow the word to be pronounced as it presents itself. So, for leggere, which means to read, we get io leggo. But then it's tu leggi. So it's a hard G sound when followed by the O, but a soft G sound when followed by the I, as we remember from our discussion of phonetics. More examples of this are as follows. Io piango. Tu piangi. Io vinco. Tu vinci. Io conosco. Tu conosci. Now that we know the rules, let's go over some common verbs in the second conjugation. We've already mentioned these four. There's also rispondere, spendere, vivere, chiedere, chiudere, mettere, prendere, ricevere, ridere, rompere, vedere, correre, vendere. Now let's use these verbs to build a few sentences. How would we say, they sell the car? Loro vendono la macchina. How about this one? You guys spend too much money. Voi spendete troppi soldi. I think you've got the hang of it, so let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.